Hi, and welcome to our Bible Art channel, where we create Bible art lessons to help you and your children remember the Lord and hopefully inspire your God-given creativity. Today we're going to do a sunrise over the ocean water. To cover my canvas, I'm using a canvas that I did a paint pour a while back and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it. And so I'm just going to paint over it. Next, I'm going to take that base of glue and water mixture. I'm going to mix my colors, whatever colors that I want, and they're in these little condiment bottles, but I'm going to mix all the colors that I want to use with that base of glue and water, and then I'm going to add 3 to 5 drops of silicone oil. I am adding all the colors to one side because I'm going to take a clear page protector, piece of paper stuck in it just for structure. I'm going to set it in my paint and swipe it across the canvas. So all that paint on the left will eventually go across the canvas to the right. So after my first swipe, I'm seeing that it's a little hazy, a little too much white, and I think I want more color. So I'm going to play with this a minute and see what happens when we apply a little heat to it, and if some of the colors will pop up to the top. Let's see what happens. Can you see some of those cells forming, those little bubbles? But I just think there's still too much white paint, and I don't think I'm going to get enough cell reaction because there was just too much white. So what we're going to do, we're going to pretend like that didn't happen. And I'm going to add more paint to this. And then I'm going to swipe it again. So I'm going to try a couple of things. I'm going to add white paint to the top section only, and I want to lighten the top, but I want to brighten the bottom. I know it's just playing around here and just seeing what happens. I also know that because there's too much white on the bottom, I'm hoping that if I swipe it a little harder, it will move some of that white paint and reveal more of the blues and the greens on the bottom. I don't know if it will work, but I'm going to try it anyway. Let's see what happens. I make these messes so you don't have to. That did not go like I wanted it to. I am happy that the top is a little lighter, but there's still too much white. It's just too much white on the bottom. So I'm going to add more color. And then I'm going to swipe it again. And to be honest with you, I'm probably only going to be able to get one more swipe in this before the glue and the oil are just angry and unhappy with me, and they won't do what I need them to do. So let's see what happens. If we don't like it, it's okay. I'll scrape it and we'll try it again. All right, I'm happier with this color. I think I'm just going to use my fingers to rub out the paint because I am happy with the color. I just want those little cells and bubbles popping up. So let's pull out the heat gun. Now I'm getting the color and the effect that I wanted. I really just felt like I wanted that soft sunrise over the ocean water. Nothing too bold, too bright. And this is a happy medium. And I'm loving all these cells that are popping up. That's really pretty in the ocean water. And I like the sky. Notice as those bubbles are starting to look like little cloud forming in the sky. So we could leave this like it is with an abstract ocean sunrise. Or we can add more detail to the water. So if I add more details when this dries, I will do another video and link it to this one. But for now, I'm going to keep it as an abstract paint pour sunrise over the ocean.